Hello friend, Satish Tiwary here from Mythical Hacking Tuition Center Jaipur. I have already shown you how to generate private key and public key in the previous video. I will give the link of that video in the I button. You can go and check out that video first. In this session, what I am going to show you, I am going to show you how you can create encrypted private key, not a normal private key. Okay, so I am going to delete all this file b.txt, the private key and the public key. Okay, so we have only one file, that is a normal file, satish.txt. Now I will show you how you can generate a encrypted private key, or if you want to generate a private key with password protection, you can do that using this command: open SSL then rsa -ds3. Then output file name, you can give any name, suppose p.pm. So this is a private key, but this is not a normal private key. This will be encrypted private key, remember. Now press enter. Now you can see it's asking for password or passphrase. Just give anything, suppose 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Done. Run ls command. You can see new file or new key has been generated, p.pm. If you check that file cat p.pm, you can see the first line, begin RSA private key. Just below the private key, you can see protocol type encrypted. So it means this is not a normal private key. You can't use this private key to generate public key directly. So if you want to use this private key to generate the public key or anything, first of all, what you need to do, you need to decrypt this private key. I'm going to tell you, I'm going to show you how you can decode or decrypt this private key. Very easy. Open SSL RSA. Now the input key is p.pm. This is the input key, and you can generate the output key, like suppose decrypted.pm. Okay, and that's it. Press enter. It will ask you the password. You have to give the same password with which you have encrypted this key, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Enter ls command, and your key is in front of your eyes. You can see now decrypted.pm. That is your, this is your, you can give any name. This is your like simple private key. This is the decrypted private key. This is the decoded private key. And now you can use this key to generate public key or to unlock a file. If you don't know how to lock a file, how to unlock a file, you can go and watch that video in the I button. I have already mentioned how to encrypt and decrypt a file using public key and private key, how to generate the private key, simple private key, how to generate the public key, and then how to lock the file and how to unlock the file. In this video, I have just shown you how you can encrypt the private key and how you can decrypt the private key. It means you can give security to your private key so that even your system get compromised, your keys are safe. Thank you. Thank you for watching. If you still have any doubts, you can ask me through the comment section. In the next video, I will try to show you how to generate private key and public key with the help of DSC algorithm. Thank you. Keep watching, keep enjoying.